right, let's go to some quick ways to make some cash. Scott, coffee holding, killing it Friday, up almost 20%. Has it run too much, or can you buy? I've been hearing, though, that it's hard to get shares to short.
Yes, well, this is just a short squeeze right now. This stock has had an unbelievable move. I just have to show you just because these things don't happen that often. And look at this Java here. You know, that is some type of move. You had some calculated entries, no matter what people want to say. When it crossed above this $9, looked good. When it broke above this, what is this, like 16-ish? Another type pattern, but now it's just so extended. I would sell some if you are still in there, and that's a pretty nice hold, and I couldn't have held that long.
But then you missed the run if you haven't gotten
Yeah, you missed
it.
this run. I would not be chasing the stock right now.
All right, a few stocks that maybe you haven't missed the run. I want to go to YNDX, closed up almost 5.5% Friday. That's the Russian Google. Would you get in here?
I think YNDX is interesting. This stock was an IPO about, I don't know, a month or 6 weeks ago. It went lower. It started consolidating, and now I see a nice pattern here above 36. I think you could start to get more aggressive. I'm long some now. If it could blow off this down open, I might add around 36. Then you have IPO day at 39.41. This one seems to be a chosen one for higher prices as we move forward.
And LinkedIn didn't have that same kind of pattern, and shot up from its IPO price. It was up almost 6% on Friday. What do you want to do here?
LinkedIn also was hot IPO. It had a great first 2 days, and then psychology changed. It got beat down into the 60s. We talked about it on the virtual trade floor. Sperling started buying in the 60s, so now around 100, it's tough. But if this thing stays above 100, it's such a tight float. It's not getting short right now. This could have a move back to that 120, 127 of IPO day.
All right, let's go to VNDX up 8% Friday. Is the breakout done, you think, for this one?
Is that a VHC?
Yeah.
I haven't been trading it, but I hear my traders keep talking about it. And, look at that. At new highs. I would have liked to have seen you get involved around 30, but for this, I guess for momentum, it's okay above this 39 area, but it's hard to enter now considering the size of the run that we've had. This is for like momentum players only. It'd be tough for an investor right now.
And last quick name we want to get to here is Apple. Hit the 360 mark Friday, but closed below it. One of the only big stock tech names, can't get the words out. Tech names that didn't hit 52-week highs. They're not like the Amazon and Netflix. Do you think that it could?
I think that it can.
Okay.
And Friday was where a lot of traders made money. What happened was this was like perfect relative strength type of trading. You had the futures down 13, 14 handles. Apple was down $3. It went from negative to positive first, and then when the market bounced, it went up $3. That's a great trade. So for now, though, it's down another 250. Kind of do the same thing. I'm long some, from Friday. I'm going to see if it could show a divergence. If it starts to go negative to positive, we could be at new highs above 364 quicker than you would have thought.